We have arrived in Rowing Park next to the Hengqin Tianmu River in Zhuhai, China, and everyone is here relaxing and celebrating in a great festive atmosphere on this National Day Golden Week and Mid-Autumn Festival holiday. Chinese parks are known for their rich history, cultural significance and natural beauty. As I wander around, you can see people enjoying themselves and getting into the holiday spirit of things. Food plays an important role in Chinese culture and traditions. Let's have a look what they're selling. And what was really nice, as I was filming the lady selling the candy floss, she gave me a little bit to try, which was very nice. And as the sun starts to set, a jazz band starts to play, the support act to the main event happening later. And now the main event, the sound and light show, with its 1,000 metre square water screen and 30 metre intelligent water curtain. An aerial performance with a total of 1,000 drones lighting up the sky with their breathtaking magical images. And the party goes on. It was a great day out, a fantastic, friendly and happy atmosphere, and everybody enjoying themselves. You can support my channel by scanning the WeChat QR code or buy me a coffee on the QR code above. If you'd like to see any more videos on China, please do hit the subscribe button.